Hello everyone. So this is 10 by 10 canvas, and as you can see I painted it white. I'm not sure whether white is visible, but at least you can see the heart that I traced using a cookie cutter. I would like to do Dutch pour, but not with a hair dryer. So this is how it looks in close up. I will let it dry, and we'll see what if we want to do next with it. So far it looks beautiful as is, red on white, but let it dry and then we can do the next step. So using these two cookie cutters, I will again trace these hearts. Now I would like to make an interlocking heart. So perhaps I can just arrange it like this, something of this sort, and then all I have to do is wait. Let me just trace it just like this. So let me trace the inner one first. So we have these two. So I would like to do a 3D look for this. So I'm gonna spray paint it, and I'll go outside, spray paint it, and I'll be back. All right, so this is what I did. I taped it from the sides and spray painted it. Let's take it off. Alright, I'm just doing little shading here like I did with the red heart for the golden one as well. So it's nothing. I'm just outlining it with black. Very gently. And then using a clean brush, just shade it. You have to remove excess. That's what I'm doing. I'm removing excess black and just only shadowing it. So here's the final piece. I think this is the easy heart and gave the most beautiful results. So I really like this piece, and it's so simple to make, so easy. It looks beautiful. What do you think? I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.